Hi there. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Ann Palmer, and I am super excited to be joining Deborah and Deanna at their September retreat entitled Reveal the Real You. Learn to think, act, and feel in new ways that allow you to really share the essence of who you really are with the world. As a NeuroChange Solutions consultant, I've been trained by Dr. Joe Dispenza to share his groundbreaking work entitled Change Your Mind, Create New Results. And isn't that what we all want to do? Really get in touch with the most elevated version of ourselves and be able to be that in the world as we cross paths with other people. So on September 20th, 21st, and 22nd, we're going to have a 3-day retreat where I'm going to actually share with you 2 models, 4 tools that help you do just that. You see, your personality, the you that's listening to me right now, creates your personal reality. And if you want something in your personal reality or your life to change, you have to really get in touch with the version of yourself, your new personality, how you think, act, and feel, that allows you to express yourself in your highest and best version. So, use the link that's provided, sign up for this transformative experience, and join us on September 20th, 21st, and 22nd at the retreat. I look forward to meeting you there. And until then, take loving care.